Today's video is about how to install and uninstall Figma plugins because the recent version, the latest version 2022, it doesn't have the user interface or user experience to easily install and uninstall Figma plugins. So I'm going to show you how you can install a plugin and uninstall a plugin. So first thing is that they have added a new icon over here in the top navigation bar, which is resources. Shift I is the shortcut key. So if you can click on here, we have components, you can search, browse libraries. We have plugins, you can search plugins. For example, let's notepad, sticky notes. So these are different plugins. You can also write color. Let's use color, and we have many over here. You can see these are my saved ones, or I am using them. These are my recent I have been using. So from here, if you have already installed Figma plugins, you can run them and use them. Okay. Next is if you want to install a Figma plugin. So go to your home tab and go to community. You can also switch from here. You can see Muhammad Hassan is my profile, and then we have the community profile. And you can go down a bit. From here, you can select Figma, and rather than all resources, just select plugins. So we have filtered out all the plugins, and you can see we have trending plugins. We can switch to popular plugins. We can switch to the recent ones, the new recently deployed plugins. So we have a list of these. So just click on try it out. For example, let's use brand icons by icon duck. Let's use this one. So you can see now it has opened up a new file, and here we have it, brand icons by icon duck. So you can see it has all the brand logos. I would really love to use them. Let's run it. And let's try to search Panasonic if we have it. No. So let's search Google. So we have different icons for Google, Google Drive. So let's try to add it over here. Really nice. I think it is a vector. And I can also change the color to whatever I like. So this is how you install a plugin. Now the problem is how to uninstall them. So there are ways you can access your plugins. You can access them from here. You can go to this menu and you can go to plugins, and these are your recent plugins, run last plugin, shortcut key, saved plugins, development, find more plugins. So if you want to find more plugins, you can click over here and install new plugins. Now how to remove them? I have to go back to my profile actually. Rather than your community, you have to go back to your profile to uninstall it actually. So when you have your profile, you can see here is my profile icon. Click over here, and you can see here we have a plugins. So this is very weird. I'm not sure why they have put this over here. So if you click on plugins, you can see I have all my saved plugins in a list. Okay. So if I want to uninstall a plugin, let's uninstall the recent one, or maybe let's uninstall this Figmotion. So I can click over here and I can click on this remove from saved plugins. So now it has been removed. So this is how you actually have to remove your plugins. Okay, so this is my community profile. Okay, so the trick is that you have to be in your own profile rather than in community. So go to your own profile and click on your profile. Then you can go to this plugins and you can remove the plugins from there. I hope that Figma in the future, they have some option to remove the plugin inside over here somewhere. So if I click or open any file, like you can see over here, So they must have something like this over here, like manage your plugins, something like this. So I don't want to go all the way over here to, remove a plugin. So this is my simple video on how to install or uninstall a plugin. Uh, if you want to install a plugin, you can also search on Google this plugin, and you can open up that plugin page and you can click on try it out, and it will be installed both in your desktop app and your web app. So that is all. This is my video about how to install and uninstall plugins in Figma in 2022, the latest interface. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Till then, I will meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.